What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know. Remember once more.
Menteri Katanat Social Welfare ubak polling do ulapun pau ya jing Sngew skhem baka jela kan job ya kathma persya drok dak bak do ru halor ka jing job ya ki kam le no hakisnam ki balalet no dak ba pendan kam tang dala ki jong ki bor pulen khlam da dan kam khot ki sipai kumbale haki wei pat ki jela jong kathan hadien ka jing pun ko burom mi ki prangot ki pulen na ka anti narcotics task force ANTF haka artway trik nailar hadin ka jingyo kurup ya drok ba shondor hado south lor tingka na east giant hills uba pol ulak do ya ka jingla jong ka jela banyak kun persya ya kini ka jingdi penbuan da ka ba yo ban kurup ya kini ka jingdi ki bakat palat south spa lor tingka ha kini ki sans nam baladam kane ka pen I bangidon ya ka jing shampang ha ka jing trekam ka jingla ka jingdon ya ka mon banyak kun persya ya kani ka jing bat pentikna ban rating khong sendon ulaong Uba pol ula shimru ya kan ka jinga kon persya drok kum ka kam penyap na syak penyap pat ong. Ngila ban syak job ha kani bangin kala kum ki nong jom. Ngila ban kala long ki lanot ni ki nong jom. Ngathik na baka Meghalaya kan yo ya ka jing job ha kani ka thma persya ya udrong. Habapan pau ka jingai ka bas skhem ha ki bor pulin. Uba pol ula ong. Ka Meghalaya ka de ka way ni ki katu ka ni ki jela ka bala yo ya ka jing job. Barat ding khong yi kam le no ling ba katanat pulen gimsham la khot ek sipai haba ki wei ki jala ki hapan le yakata ka Nagaland ka hapan le yakata Mizoram ka hapan le yakata ka Punjab ka hapan le yakata ki than ba shakta ha ki le no mayas Naxalite ki hapan le ka Assam ru ka hapan le yakata ka Meghalaya ka de ka wei ni ki katu ka ni ki jala ka balaya khun hi ya ki kam le no da ka ba pendan kam ya lagi jong ki bor pulen kat nungut na ngi ki tip syapang kata ula ong kum ka jala ka badang ritam ha India umenturi ula banjur halor ka jingdan kam ki jing bai tingka na ka benta ki samla ka jala ki badan hadu 100% na ki nong shong shnong ki bahap hapo karta lai pesan snam knaman pelat na ki jing persyang ki bakring ban pengop ya ki hau drok bat ki wei pat ki jing di pasniu Uba pol ula penting kenaru baya ka memorandum bala IT da ka ANTF anpun urlong mardor ka jingbe tingkaling baka dream project. Menteri ula batai ru syapang ka dream mission. Kabakentup ya ka jingat rilang ka bajan hapadeng kitanat repair. Kabakentup ya ka tanat pulen social welfare puli puthi ka koi ke kya bat kaan. Kane ka jingat rilang ka temu banla banyak kun persya ya ka jing ki bami ling ba udrong. Nakalyang uba pol ula airu ka jinga ro ya ka jing tri borba bar ka jing shlur jo katanat ANTF ban ka dia ya ubut lum jingi kam khai drang ka bade ka jing ka bakrau namar ka jing long jing man ki jaka jo ka jila Meghalaya ka bade ru ka linti yai ba penya so bat ki wei pat ki jila da ka ba ong ba ka ANTF kala ban boarding ki nong khai bean menteri ula ong ba ka ANTF menta kala rung sya ki jaka ya ka ba menshwa kam pat julet satya kata kum ka cantonment board kabade ka tem khai drok ka bashar khai bha menteri ula punti kenaru baka ANTF kan beteng ban boarding persya ki nong khai drok bat ban rat ding khong ya drok na ka jela hi baro ka wei halor ka jing terwa ban thiet ki vehicle scanner menteri ula ong baka sarkar jela kladap ban kdo ya ka jing don kam bat na ka Ministry of Home Affairs klatip halor ka kam
In terms of space, we are here in a small room. But when it comes to our mission and our aspirations, they are beyond any capacity to be quantified. And we would like to continue to pursue with that mission more, because it is this very vital operation and the task before us will decide what kind of future the state of Meghalaya will have. I have made an effort to get this program organized here today because a lot of the time the police department keeps drawing flag, keeps throwing undue criticism. Just a few months back, when the infamous murder at Sora occurred, even before the case could be solved and even before the victim could be immediately found, the body of the victim could be found. I think I should share this with you with a lot of pride that I spoke to the media and said that we have a very efficient police department. The name of Meghalaya will be cleared and the Meghalaya police will come out stronger after that episode. When I had said turned to be otherwise, I would have had X on my face and probably even had to tender my resignation as minister, because I had said that Meghalaya is safe, the police are doing a commendable job, and we will crack this case. Today is another milestone because our personnel just last week itself have been able to nab contraband worth over 4 crore rupees in just one single seizure. People armed with mobile phones, sitting in their couches and watching the TV and at the same time hooked to their mobile phones can say a lot of things about what should be done. But it is our boys and girls, it is our officers and our men in the field who have to do the challenging task of breaking the backbone of the supply chain, for which Meghalaya is a lucrative transit point because of its geographical location. It's so easy to be an armchair critic and offer solutions to all problems that Meghalaya has. But to actually be there, leading from the front and proving your mettle day after day, that takes courage, that takes conviction, that takes dedication. So, however small this gathering, let us at least have one more round of applause for all our men and women in uniform. Alums every time we sign important files in the secretariat. You do not hoist your flag every time there is a major catch. Yet we achieve results. Today, any media person can ask how is it that the drug scene in Meghalaya has become so bad. The one thing I can share with you is that apart from being a transit point, Meghalaya also faces challenges because this is a scene that was not envisaged even 10 years ago. Yet we have proved that we are capable, and going through the reports, the presentation, the total worth of contraband seized, which has crossed 400 crores, shows that we have the professionalism, the capacity, and the willpower to deal with this problem and ensure that it is wiped out. It is a simple case for the drug scene in our state. It's simply a matter of kill or be killed. We either succumb to it or we emerge victorious. We either become victims or we turn out to be victors. Therefore, I would sincerely urge each one of us who are in this room and those who will be viewing this speech later on through various news channels that Meghalaya, I am sure, will turn victorious. We have managed to break the bone of insurgency. One of the few states that insurgency was ultimately wiped out simply through the police department. We did not call in the army. Other states had to do that. Nagaland has had to do that. Mizoram has had to do that. Punjab has had to do that. The Maoist Naxalite region has had to do that. Assam has had to do that. Meghalaya was one of the few states that dealt with insurgency using its own police force. How many of us are even aware of that? We're not aware because we take things for granted. We also have to bear in mind that we are one of the youngest states in this country. 65% of our population is below the age of 35. How do we invest in that young population if there are repeated, constant attempts to lure them into the traps of drugs and other substances of abuse?
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.